change, return to wet and windy weather. Now last night we had some pretty low figures across many parts of the United Kingdom. Red Hill was the coldest place, -9, certainly a widespread frost for many southern counties. And here in London it's a beautiful fine day with not a cloud in the sky. And that's mirrored for many southern parts of the United Kingdom, South Wales and much of southern England, seeing those kind of skies. But further north there's more cloud, that cloud thicker in the north of Scotland, and here the wind's freshening, and that's the change. That's the change to milder conditions, but also cloudier conditions and wetter conditions. Very windy weather likely as we move through Saturday and into Sunday as a deep area of low pressure moves across the north of Scotland. And that's our weather watch for you. For the far north of Scotland on Saturday, we could have gusts of wind up at 80 miles an hour. That's something we'll keep you informed about as we get closer to the day. Now we do have a weakish weather front straddling central parts of Scotland right now. That moves slowly away, then another one follows. Then the really deep area of low pressure develops through Saturday and moves into Scandinavia. But we move into very much milder air. The high pressure we've had for so long slipping quietly away to the south to give Spain and Portugal some more settled weather and some more sunshine as well. Now we've got a first sign of that change arriving in the far northwest right now, that band of cloud slipping its way steadily southwards. I think the skies in the south generally clear, although that's not quite picking up all of the low cloud. And we'll keep some sunshine in the south for much of the afternoon. The thicker cloud giving outbreaks of rain. I think over the hills and mountains across Scotland and northern England we'll have a little bit of wet snow or sleet at times. Where we've had the mist, it may well stay freezing for much of the day, particularly parts of Wiltshire and Somerset. Otherwise, a range of temperatures between 4 and 7 degrees. And then we see that rain arrive, but also the milder air arriving through tonight and through tomorrow more especially. That rain arriving across Scotland and into Northern Ireland around about lunchtime tomorrow. That's where it'll lie. In the southeast we'll probably get away with some dry weather, and before that cloud moves in, I think tonight another frost, especially from East Anglia and into the southeast of England, with temperatures getting down to as low as -3, so not as cold as last night. Friday's forecast, well, the wet and windy weather really moves through, temperatures rising all the time, and as we move into Saturday we have the really strong winds in the north. Here, not too warm, 6 or 7 degrees about average, and a few wintry showers, but in the south we move back into double figures as that milder air sweeps through.